Safira binti Zurazni. My matric number is 2025280066. The company that we have selected is ATCC Holdings, an organisation operating in a frozen food industry in Malaysia. ATCC Holdings is a company was established in 2010 by Mr. Abdul Razak bin Othman and Mrs. Nurhidayu binti Hilmi, and it operates as a family-based business with almost 20 years of experience in the food industry. Initially, ATCC Holdings focused on retail and corporate promotion through cupcake sales. However, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the company faced major challenges, resulting in the closure of most outlets, leaving only one outlet operating. This situation led the management to restructure the business and introduce a 24 hours employee-free freezer-based business model. In terms of planning analysis, ATCC Holdings aims to maintain its position as a high-quality frozen food supplier in Malaysia while offering business opportunity through a freezer-based model. The company focuses on low operating costs to ensure long-term sustainability and plans for international expansion within 5 to 10 years. Based on the SWOT analysis, ATCC Holdings' strengths include its employee-free business model, long product shelf life, and strong management experience. However, the company is still in the earlier stage of international expansion. There are strong opportunities due to increased demand for frozen food products, although competition and supply chain risks remain major threats. Based on Porter's 5 forces analysis, the frozen food industry is highly competitive with a threat of substitute products. Buyer power is moderate to high, while supplier power and the threat of new entrants are moderate. To remain competitive, ATCC Holdings applies a focused differentiation strategy. The company targets a specific market segment that value premium durian-based frozen dessert and 24 hours convenience. This strategy is supported by unique products, an employee-free freezer model, and strategic placement of freezer in high-traffic locations, allowing ATCC Holdings to reduce price competition and achieve long-term sustainability.
Let's move to how ATCC Holding organize its business. First, we need to know what the company does. ATCC Holdings is a Malaysian food manufacturing company that focuses on frozen desserts, especially durian-based products such as durian crepe and mochi. Their products are sold to retail shops, supermarkets, cafes, and food outlets across Malaysia. The company operates mainly in West Malaysia and emphasizes consistent taste and product quality. Second one is company leadership. ATCC Holding is led by its founder and top management. They are responsible for making important business decisions, planning the company's long-term direction, and also overseeing daily production. The leadership ensures that every department works toward the same goals and follows the company's values. Third one is business organization or departments. ATCC Holding organizes its business into functional departments, where each team has a specific roles. First one is we also need to know the company values. ATCC Holdings operate based on 4 main values. A is accountable. It means responsible for product quality and performance. T, transparent, which is honest and clear in business dealings. C is competent, which is skill and profession in their work. And another C is cheerful. That means positive work culture and employee development. These values guide how employees work and how the company is managed. 5 is business goals. ATCC Holdings has clear goals for growth, including expanding products to thousands of outlets in Malaysia, becoming one of the top frozen dessert brands, and also creating more job opportunities for Malaysians. Each department contributes toward achieving these goals. ATCC Holding is organized into clear departments such as production, sales, marketing, and administration, led by strong management. This structure helps the company maintain quality, grow its market, and achieve long-term success. That's all from me.
Hello everyone.
Today, I would like to present about the leadership of a company called ATCC Holding Sdn Bhd. Leadership is very important in business because it helps guide the company towards success, growth, and stability. A good leader can inspire employees, can make smart decisions, and ensure that the company continue to improve. ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd is a Malaysian food and beverage company that was established in year 2020. Even though the company is still new, it has grown very fast in the market. ATCC specializes in frozen dessert and is especially famous for its called durian crepe, which is a very famous Malaysian. The company distributes its products through supermarket, convenience store, and petrol stations across Malaysia. The wide distribution shows that ATCC has strong management and leadership because it is not easy for new company to enter many outlets in short time. This proves that their leadership play an important role in their success. Next, I will talk about leadership style and business strategy. ATCC practice transformational and strategic leadership. This means their leaders motivate their employees, encourage teamwork, and support new ideas. They also focus on long-term goals, customers, satisfactions, and product quality. ATCC use premium ingredients and strict quality control to ensure safety and consistent taste. They also place branded foods in strategic locations to attract more customers and increase the sale. Like any other business, ATCC also faces several challenges. One of main challenges is strong competition in frozen dessert market. There are many brands offering similar products. Besides that, raising the cost of ingredients, transportation, and operation can also affect their profits. Another challenge is maintaining product quality while expanding to more outlets. When a company grows bigger, it becomes harder for control quality. However, with strong leadership, these challenges can be managed properly. Their leaders focus on problem solving, good planning, and continuous improvement. In the future, ATCC plans to open more outlets, introduce more new products, and expand to international markets. In conclusion, ATCC shows good leadership, through clear visions and good planning, and strong focus on customer and quality.
Controlling is an important management function because it helps make sure that company activities follow its goal. At ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd, management use three main types of control system: output control, behavior control, and client control. This system help the company check performance, guide employee behavior, and build a strong company culture. First, output control focus on result, especially financial performance. ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd monitors important financial items such as sales growth, profit, cost control, and cash flow. Financial reports are prepared every month and every quarter to review performance. Actual results are compared with planned target. If there are big difference, manager studies the reason and take action to fix the problems. The company also prepares annual budget to department and subsidiaries. These budgets are used as performance target and help control spending. Next, behavior control focus on how employees do their work. Manager and supervisor closely watch daily activities, visit work site, and hold regular meetings to check work progress, quality, and deadlines. This allows manager to give quick feedback and correct mistakes when needed. ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd also use key performance indicators to measure employee and department performance. These include productivity, project completion, work quality, safety rule, and efficiency. KPI results are used in performance review and may effort rewards, promotion, and training. This encourages employees to work toward company goals. Finally, client control focus on shared value and company culture. ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd encourage values such as honesty, responsibility, teamwork, professionalism, and safety. These values are shown through manager behavior, communication, and training programs. Even though the company may not have an official motto, its focus on ethical work, good quality result, and long-term relationship with stakeholders. Employees are encouraged to work together to achieve common goals. In conclusion, ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd use output control, behavior control, and client control together to manage performance well. This control system help the company operate smoothly and success in long run.
Next, I will be presenting the recommendation and conclusion of our report on ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd. Based on the analysis conducted, several recommendations have been proposed to help ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd address its weakness and improve overall management effectiveness. Firstly, to overcome the challenge of being at an early stage of international expansion, ATCC Holdings should adopt a paced market entry approach. This includes conducting detailed market research, forming strategic local partnerships, and implementing pilot programs. These steps will help the company better understand consumer preference, comply with local regulation, and reduce operational risk, ensuring smoother and more sustainable international expansion. Secondly, the company is encouraged to develop a formal and documented risk management plan. This plan should identify potential operational, financial, and supply chain risks, as well as outline appropriate mitigation strategies. Having a structured risk management system will strengthen decision-making, improve business continuity, and enhance overall organizational resilience. Thirdly, to reduce reliance on physical freezer location, ATCC Holdings should diversify its sales channels by exploring online ordering platforms, e-commerce collaboration, and delivery service. This strategy will increase product accessibility, expand the customer base, and complement the existing freezer-based business model. In summary, this recommendation aims to strengthen ATCC Holdings' operational readiness, minimize potential risks, and support long-term business growth. Moving on to the conclusion, this report has comprehensively examined the management practice of ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd through the application of fundamental management concepts within the hospitality and tourism industry. The analysis focused on key management functions, including planning, organizing, and controlling. The findings show that ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd demonstrates strong managerial capabilities through its innovative employees, free freezer business model, and focused differentiation strategy. The SWOT analysis, the Porter 5 Force analysis, highlighted the company's strength in operational efficiency, product quality, and strategic location placement, while also identifying challenges such as intense competition and supply chain risk. Additionally, the company's functional and centralized organizational structure support effective coordination across departments and enable consistent product quality and scalability. The controlling mechanism, which include output, behavior, and client control, further ensure performance monitoring, employee accountability, and alignment with organizational value. In conclusion, ATCC Holdings Sdn Bhd shows strong growth potential by strengthening risk management practice, diversifying sales channels, and adopting a structured approach to international expansion. the company can enhance its sustainability and competitiveness in the dynamic food and beverage industry. That's all from us.